In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a JSON file in N8N. So the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your N8N, and then you're going to want to go ahead and click on the overview, and then here you want to create a new workflow. So just create a workflow, and then over here it's going to be a blank space, and now you have to just copy some JSON code. Now here I just generated some random JSON code with ChatGPT. I'm going to copy this, and then if you go in here and you have a valid JSON code copied, it's very easy to import it and upload it. You just have to press anywhere on the empty space and then just paste it by clicking Ctrl and V on your keyboard. And then just like this, in just a few seconds, as you can see, your code has been pasted in here and now apply it inside N8N. Now the only thing you then have to change are the credentials in case there's any credentials to be changed, and then you are good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.